Right guys, let's jump right into the task then. So as I said in the last video, it's really important before automating a task that you do it manually and you fully understand how you're going to do it manually, because if you can't manually do it, then you've got absolutely no chance in automating it. So the dummy example scenario here, we've got a list of vehicle registrations and we need to find out this information. So to do that manually, what I would normally do is go across to the DVLA vehicle inquiry site. So in the UK, you can type in the registration of a vehicle and get some info back on it. So that's the first vehicle here is LD58OGK. So if I paste that in and hit continue, the government website will say, is it a black Ford? And yes it is. Continue. And then we get some data back. So you can see here, date of first registration, October 2008. So I could put that in, October 2008. And there you see Excel has been configured for date. So to do that, you right click on the cell and do date. Or if you need the whole column to be a date, you would click there and do format cells, date, and that is useful. It's useful to get the correct data type in the cell. Right, so next we want to see, is it taxed? Tax status is SORM, which is a statutory off-road notification, which means it's not taxed. So I'm going to write false here. Fuel type, we can look across and it's diesel. Oh, that's not very good. I'll do Control Z to undo and just type diesel in manually. And then what else? We've got MOT due. So the MOT is due on the 20th of August 2021. 20th of August. Obviously I'm in the UK, so the day, the month and the year. Other countries do it differently, I know. So MOT, that's just an inspection. It's an annual inspection of the vehicle. So age in months, now that's something that you could possibly calculate using the date function in Excel, and I think in another lesson I might show you how to do that, because to be honest I don't always know how to do things off the top of my head, but it is useful to know that some things can be done, and once you know a thing can be done, you can then go ahead and look up how exactly to implement it. Okay, so in the next lesson we might have a look at that, or we might discuss some other bits of automating this manual process.